here on this mountain. I'm thinking about your creation.
Hello guys out there, this is Nature Explorers.
Nature Explorers. Kamoto Katu connecting with nature.
We find out some interesting things that indeed are there to show how great is the Creator.
Kafika papiki tipeneta zigunde pantima kuti ife ma Nature Explorers tagwira ntchito yathu ndipo Michiru tayimaliza. Ndi ulendo wathu tikupitirirabe.
One thing I can say to people is that hiking is not for the selfish people. Hiking needs people, and you can't move around here alone. There are so many things that can happen to you.
We want to clash the perspective held by many Malawians to say hiking and other adventures, especially for those who are rich and those who are not black people, white people.
Kodi tu anthu ambiri amakhala kunena kuti hiking ndi anthu olemera koma suti ndi anthu olemera ife solemera koma we have managed.
This is gonna be a great achievement, and of course this is not the end of the journey.
Kodi mukudziwa kunena kuti kuchita spend kapena kutenga nthawi yathu kuyendera zachilengedwe kumathandiza kuchotsa nkhawa matupi athu kukhala physically fit komanso kaganizidwe kathu kamakhala kamphamvu komanso kuyenerera.
Kuledzera kapena kupanga zinthu zina si zinthu zosangalatsa moyo wa munthu kuti ungachikire pa mtima chifukwa chimakupatsa mavuto.
Indeed, when you are on the top there, when you are in your spiritual condition, I may say spiritual world, you understand something to say how little the world is and how little the pleasure that we are enjoying is.
Big up to the team. We are happy that this time around we are about 19. Last time we came we were 3. Yeah, that's mashallah.
And the more that I think about it, makes me love you even more. How the river finds the way to the valley, it's just so magical.